Hi children, this is the third part of this rational numbers, fourth part of these rational numbers. So fourth part of these rational numbers, that is associative property. The next property is associative property under addition, subtraction, multiplication and division in the four basic mathematical operations. So in the first addition, we have to take let three rational numbers we have to take. Three rational numbers, just I am taking 2 by 3, 3 by 4 and 4 by 5 are three rational numbers. So these three rational numbers, how they will follow this associative property under addition, that we shall check. What is this means? Associative property means first one is associating with two other two, or third one is associating with first two. Okay, so what it will do? Addition. So first we have to take plus. This is 2 by 3 is the first number and 3 by 4 is the second number. In the association, we have to associate these two. That means we have to add these two. Then we can get some result. This result will be associated with the third one. That means 4 by 5. Okay. This is the first part and left part of the given condition or given property. So in the second part, we can take this 2 by 3 as it is. Now these two will be in association. They will be combined. So 2 by 3 plus 3 by 4 should be added first. After that, that result should be added to 4 by 5. Here 2 by 3 is separated. 3 by 4 and 4 by 5 first we have to add. Then that should be added to this one. Then we have to check both sides whether the left hand side is equal to right hand side or not. That means the solution both sides we got the same answer or not. If we get the same answer, we can say in addition this property it is following in rational numbers. Otherwise it is not following. So first we shall see. Already we have done a plus b. That means 2 by 3 plus 3 by 4. In the closure property we have done and commutative property we have done. Like that, first solve this bracket. 2 by 3 plus 3 by 4, those are in addition two fractions. 3 4s are 12 is the LCM. 3 4s are 12. So 2 4s are 8. 4 3s are 12. 3 3s are 9. Plus 4 by 5. So for this we have to make it into two parts. Left hand side first we have to solve, we have to get the answer, keep somewhere, and the right hand side we have to do. That then we shall check. So now I am writing left hand side of the solution. Now this is equal to 8 plus 9 is equal to 17 by 12 plus 4 by 5. Again two fractions we got, two rational numbers. Again a plus b, closure property, commutative property. So 12 5s are 60 is the LCM. 12 5s are 60. 17 5s are 85. 5 12s are 60. 4 12s are 48. Now this answer is equal to 133 by 60. So this is the left hand side answer we got. Okay. Please you have to keep in your mind. Now we shall go to right hand side. In the right hand side, how it will be changed. Right hand side, what we have taken? 2 by 3 is associated with 3 by 4 and 4 by 5. So 2 by 3 as it is you have to leave like that, and plus also you have to leave like that. In the bracket what is there, that should be solved first. Here 4 and 5, 4 5s are 20 is the LCM. 4 5s are 20, 3 5s are 15. 5 4s are 20, 4 4s are 16. This is equal to 2 by 3 plus 31 by 20. So again two fractions. 3 and 20 are the denominators. 3 20s are 60. 3 20s are 60. 2 20s are 40. 23s are 60. 31 3s are 93. So this is equal to 93 plus 40. 133 by 60. So in the left hand side also we got 133 by 60 and right hand side also we got 133 by 60. From this we can say both sides are equal. That means left hand side is equal to right hand side. Left hand side is equal to right hand side. So we can say addition is associative in rational numbers. Understand? Addition is associative in rational numbers. Otherwise we can say rational numbers are associative under addition. Okay. So here you can take the general form a plus b plus c is equal to a plus b plus c. If it is true, we can say this property is followed under addition. Okay. Next we shall move for subtraction. So in the subtraction, I have taken 2 by 3, 3 by 4 and 4 by 5 belongs to set of rational numbers. So from this, we have to try to check whether this associative property is following under subtraction or not. So subtraction, it is nothing but minus, we know. So 2 by 3 minus 3 by 4 and 4 by 5. 2 by 3 minus 3 by 4 is the first set and after that we have taken 4 by 5. Here 2 by 3 is separated, 3 by 4 and 4 by 5. Those are subtracted. So now we have to do this one. Here also we have to take left hand side first. Left hand side is equal to 2 by 3 minus 3 by 4. That should be completed first and after that 4 by 5. This is equal to. So in the bracket what we will get? 3 4 ja 12 is the LCM. 3 4 ja 12. 2 4 ja 8. Minus 4 3 ja 12. 3 3 ja 9. Minus 4 by 5. That is equal to 8 minus 9 means minus 1 by 12 minus 4 by 5. Here also you can get 12 5 is 60 is the LCM. 12 5 is 60, 1 5 is 5, minus 1 that means minus 5. 5 12 is 60, 4 12 is 48. Minus 48 to minus 5 that is equal to minus 53 by 60. So this you have to remember in your mind. The left hand side of the solution is minus 53 by 60. So coming to right hand side. Right hand side what we will do? How we can find out? We shall see. So right hand side 2 by 3 minus 3 by 4 minus 4 by 5. First of all we have to do these two subtraction. After this from this. Okay. This is equal to 2 by 3 as it is. No change. 4 5 are 20 is the LCM. Okay. 4 5 are 20. 3 5 are 15. 5 4 are 20. 4 4 are 16. That means 2 by 3 minus 15 minus 16 is equal to minus 1 by 20. So 2 by 3 minus into minus is equal to plus. Already we learned 1 by 20. So actually it is subtraction, but here we have to get it as addition. This is equal to 20 and 3. 23 is 60. 3 20 is 60 and 3 20 is 60. 2 20 is 40. Plus 23 is 60 and 1 3 is 3. This is equal to 43 by 60. We got the answer is 43 by 60. Okay. Now we have to check what is the value we got in the left hand side and in the right hand side. Check whether these two are equal or not. If these two are equal, we can say the associative property is following under subtraction in rational numbers. Otherwise, it is not following. Okay. See the answers. The first answer we got is minus 53 by 60 and the second answer we got 43 by 60. So you can understand these two answers are not equal. Yes or no? So these are different. That means left hand side is not equal to right hand side. So LHS is not equal to RHS. There because A minus B minus C, A minus B minus C is not equal to A minus B minus C. So, associative property is not following in the rational numbers under subtraction. Otherwise, we can say rational numbers are not associative under subtraction. Okay. So now we shall move for the third property, third operation, basic mathematical operation, multiplication. Third basic mathematical operation, multiplication. In multiplication also I have taken three rational numbers. Those three rational numbers, first two should be multiplied, and after that a result should be multiplied with the third one. And in the right hand side case, second one and third one should be multiplied, that should be multiplied with the first one. So left hand side and right hand side directly we can take here. Why? Because here no need to take the LCMs and it is not a lengthy process, it's a small process. So first bracket we have to complete. 2 into 3 is equal to 6, by 3 into 4 is equal to 12, into 4 by 5. Now come to right hand side. 2 by 3 as it is you can leave like that, and coming to in the bracket 3 into 4 is equal to 12, 4 into 5 is equal to 20. Okay. So left hand side, both fractions multiplication. 12 5 are 60, 6 4 are 24, 2 12 are 24, 3 20 are 60. So both are equal. Left hand side is equal to right hand side. So LHS is equal to RHS. So rational numbers are associated under multiplication. That means it will be following. So we can say A into B is equal to B into A. That's why it is following. So we can say these rational numbers are associative under multiplication. Okay. Next we shall go for division. Now coming to division. In the division also I have taken three rational numbers. First one and second one are divided. After that result should be divided with the third one. And here first one we left, second and third are divided, and first one is divided with the obtained result. So first we shall take, here also we have to take left hand side and right hand side. First we have to take left hand side. 2 by 3 divided by 3 by 4 and divided by 4 by 5. Already we learned about the fractions and their divisions. So in the fractions division is not possible. So what we told, 2 by 3 into 4 by 3. The second fraction should be written reciprocal. Then only it will be converting into multiplication. So 2 by 3 into 4 by 3. This is the bracket and divided by 4 by 5. 2 by 3 into 4 by 3. 2 4 ja 8. 3 3 ja 9. Divided by. Again, this division should be converting into multiplication. 5 by 4. This is equal to 8 5 ja 40 by 9 4 ja 36. This is the first answer we got. So here we will write this is equal to 40 by 36 is the left hand side answer. Now we are going to right hand side. So right hand side, how and what will be done we shall see. RHS 2 by 3 divided by 3 by 4 divided by 4 by 5. 2 by 3 you have to leave like that. No change will be there. Coming to the bracket. In the bracket, what is the first rational number? 3 by 4. And the second rational number should be converting into its reciprocal. That means 2 by 3 divided by 3 5 are 15 by 4 4 just 16. So now 2 by 3 is as it is. Divided by should be converting into multiplication. 15 by 16 will become 16 by 15. 2 16 are 32 by 3 15 are 45. This is the second answer. What is the first LH answer? 40 by 36. Here what is the answer? 32 by 45. So both are not equal. See this one. First answer we got 40 by 36 and second answer we got for 32 by 45. Check whether these two are equal or not. No, those are not equal. So left hand side is not equal to right hand side. So both sides are not equal. That's why this property is not following under division in the given rational numbers. So that only we have to write in the form of a sentence. Rational numbers are not associated under division. Rational numbers are not associative under division. That means associative property is not followed in the rational numbers under division operation. Okay. So here also, if you observe, we got addition and multiplication. In both cases only this associative property is following, and the remaining two cases the associative property is not following in rational numbers. Okay. Yes children, we completed associative property under addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. Next properties, in the next video we shall find the what is the value of 0 and what is the role of 1, for what purpose we use 1 and 0, how they will be acted in the set of rational numbers. Okay, after that we shall go for the exercises and examples. Okay, bye.